Welcome, in front of me is a ULEFONE Armor X12, and today I'll show you how we can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, which will bring down all your toggles, and then locate the battery saver toggle, which for me is literally the first one right here. Now, actually no, it is on a second page, which for some reason was the device kept on that. So you might need to swipe to the left. Anyway, once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. It brings up a quick message: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. The last part is the most important one. Anyway, we're gonna click on turn on, and you can see it is now enabled, and that's about it. Now once you're done using it, you can turn it off by tapping on this toggle once more. Obviously this reverts all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.